Well, new documents are shedding light on the accusations against the Boone County judge after he was arrested by state police last week.
And he wasn't alone. Both County Judge Robert Daniel Hathaway and Boone County's former 911 coordinator are charged with felonies. Channel 7's Andrew Mobley spoke with the prosecutor in the case today. He joins us now from our Content Center with more. Andrew.
Judge Hathaway is accused of failing to report the alleged misuse of a county credit card and theft of tens of thousands of dollars from the county by 911 coordinator Daniel Bolen over several years. Bolen was arrested by state police February 13th and, according to an affidavit, admitted to investigators that he used his county-issued credit card for personal expenses. Hathaway told investigators he had first observed that behavior in 2018, but never reported Bolen to state auditors. Bolen was recently forced by Hathaway to resign after a reimbursement check he wrote the county bounced after he used the credit card for personal utility bills. He had until then inconsistently reimbursed the county. Bolen now faces several charges including abuse of office, theft of $25,000 or more, fraudulent use of a credit card, and tampering with physical evidence.
And then he would have to try to pay it back, in which he did sometimes he did not. But you can't do that with a county credit card.
An audit revealed that Bolen allegedly dipped into funds from county NGOs as well, depleting over $50,000 total from the Boone County Sheriff's Office Reserve Deputy Association and Search and Rescue Association, while serving as treasurer of both organizations.
We did ask audit and the state police to also look at those so we could see if there were additional monies missing from those accounts. We believe there are actually monies that are missing.
Etheridge asked state police to begin an investigation August last year.
There had been some indications from other county employees. There was some concern.
Hathaway has now been charged with abuse of office and failing in his duty as a public employee to report the loss of public funds.
The elected official who is responsible for that person's supervision has an obligation to say, you can't do that. And when it transpires for a longer period of time, that creates the problem we're in now.
Quorum Court member David Thompson says the arrests have cast a shadow over Boone County.
It is a little bit uncomfortable now. It's there's a little bit of a feels like a little bit of a cloud, over us at this point. We have tightened up already some of our credit card policies.
Judge Hathaway's arraignment is scheduled for next Monday in Harrison, when I plan to ask the judge why he apparently did.
Okay, Andrew Mobley for us upstairs in our Content Center. We look forward to the answer to that question. If the Boone County judge were to be convicted of a crime and removed from office, the Quorum Court would be charged with appointing an interim judge. Hathaway's term is set to end in January.